Hopkins. Very well, young squire.
Huh?
How are you, young man? Can I offer you a highball?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, maybe you're a little young. Better keep this out of harm's way.
Are you gonna be all right, sir?
It's that pompous-ass Patrick. He's bad-mouthing me all around the staff room.
Why?
He keeps calling me a drunk. Says that I am irresponsible. He's trying to get me fired. He's trying to turn Miss Phillips against me.
Well, sir, when people say bad things about what I do, I like to prove them wrong.
Really? How? By showing a nobler side of yourself? Rising above it?
No, not exactly. I like to show that they massively underestimated the force that they were dealing with, and then really give them something to complain about.
The treacherous Machiavel. I love it.
Good. Me too.
On you, whoever you are. I have done nothing to deserve this. Someone is going to pay for this. You better hope I don't catch you, whoever you are. This is an outrage. Why am I paying taxes for buffoons like you? Why haven't you caught him yet? They're in my yard, destroying everything! Catch them! Hurry up and catch the little beggar!
Good to see you.
Make it quick, Ernest.
Now, as our new leader, I have something I need you to do for me.
What?
I mean, look, do you want to take down the jocks or what?
Of course I do.
Yes, well, I have a plan.
Okay, what is it?
Well, what I need are some inappropriate pictures of someone they care about.
You want pictures?
Yes, it's a complicated plan, all right. I need some naughty pictures of that Mandy girl.
I'm sure you do, but what has that got to do with this?
This? This is purely for the purposes of this plan. I'm not like that at all.
You want me to get incriminating pictures of the head cheerleader just for your plan? The kind of pictures that could land me in jail or worse?
It's not easy being the boss.
Man, this better be good.
Come on, boys, show us what you got!
Keep trying. Maybe one day you'll get it. Oh my god, this is disgusting. I'll have to go change. Oh my god. Can't wait to get out of these clothes. Ah, much better. Now I'm ready to dazzle everyone with my charisma and popularity again. This is much better.
Great!
I've got some nice pictures for you.
I can't wait to see them. Avid student of anatomy, you know. Oh, here he is, Mr. Big. Oh, can't you just get lost?
Or help! We're trying to get out of here!
Come on, Muscles. We've not got long.
What are you talking about?
The jocks are coming to kill us. Oh, thanks to you and your sordid little pictures.
You wanted them. You're the sicko.
Oh, a healthy interest in sexual matters is natural during puberty, bud. That's why I was having those dreams. Anyway, this is not important right now. I am about to die. We all are.
When are they coming? What about your famous defense system?
Oh, it's broken, okay?
Can't you fix it?
I need a bit of time. We have no time. We're dead. Dead! I love you, my friend!
Look, you fix it, I'll hold up the jocks. Now, where's that gun thing?
Get out of here, you sickos!
We're coming in, you
We're coming to get you!
for you, nerds!
Doomed! These feelings are natural, and I'm about to die for them!
Just go fix the defense system and I'll take care of the goons.
Come on, you wimps!
We're coming to get
Get out
you!
of here, sickos!
To the barricades!
Where's Doom? The jocks are coming!
The outer barricade has been breached! Hold them back with a barrage of potatoes, Jimmy!
This is actually really exciting!
Hey, Jimmy. I've had a brilliant idea. Another one. Many are called, but few are chosen. Luckily for you, I've chosen you to help me carry out this little masterpiece. My finest work.
What are you talking about, you lunatic?
I'm talking about what we're always talking about, amigo. About bullying the bullies. About my favorite dish, revenge.
Revenge? Against who?
Who do you think? The football team. Those overdeveloped, underbrained lords of our little manor. Reduced to a bunch of sniveling wretches. Bowing down to my...
You mean our?
I meant our superiority. Us ruling like gentlemen over the peasants.
Us?
Us? Yes. You ruling, of course. Me offering some sage advice. Doing all the thinking. That sort of thing. Merlin to your King Arthur.
Whatever. What's the plan?
Well, first, we need you to get the school mascot costume.
And how do you suggest I do that?
Well, go follow them. Wait for us to distract the gorillas. Go! While we still have hope!
Stop that! You're such a butt.
I'm a physical threat!
What's your problem, man?
I'm gonna hit you till you...
Leave me alone! So, you are so annoying!
This is so embarrassing.
Help me, guys! Jimmy's being a jerk!
You can't outrun me!
Don't get up next time!
You're
Golden Boy! Nobody beats the mascot but the jocks! I'm gonna pummel you!
Up here, suckers!
You gotta be kidding me! Nerds? You're messing with the wrong mascot! Come on then! Stop! I can't be bothered to run! I can't be bothered to run! You just gotta take the bull by the horns. As usual, the world takes an enormous crap on my head. Jimmy, you've interrupted me. Oh, sorry. Don't worry about it. Can I see? Sure. Take a look. I think I have finally caught the essence of what it means to be a banana. I really feel my work is moving forward. Here's the thing. Art is lost on me. I've always been more into music. You know, having thoughts for another really makes your work glow. How do you mean? When people do things, incredible things, when people blossom and grow, that really moves me. You know what I mean? Not really. I am in love, Jimmy. And I want to make tonight very special. Would you mind going to collect a few things while I work my muse out? A dress, some perfume, my pearl necklace from the jeweler's, not too much. I must look my best tonight. Tonight? Wow. Of course. Is this legal? Of course it's legal. Whatever can you mean? Now go on, my dear. Hurry!
Slide on in, relax.
I think I'll keep this.
Hello, how are you today?
This looks useful.
Come on! You want to get real now?
Welcome.
That poor
Please
bat.
buy something.
This might be useful. Here you go.
Oh, Jimmy, what took you so long? Thanks.
No problem. Oh, man, I can't believe this. My first time with a teacher. Oh, man, this is gonna be great.
Hey, Jimmy, what are you doing here?
Nothing. What are you doing here?
Well, it's a little awkward, but since you've been such a good friend to me, Ms. Phillips, she's asked me, of all people, can you believe? She's asked me on a date.
Wait, she asked you? I think you're mistaken.
What?
Yeah, I mean, I think there's been some sort of mistake. You sure you haven't been hitting the bottle again?
No. I mean, yes, I am sure.
Well, okay then.
Hitting the bottle.
Lionel, you came. You look great.
So do you, Deirdre.
Thank you.
Wait, what?
Jimmy, what are you still doing here?
What do you mean?
This boy is an angel. He's been magnificent.
Uh-huh.
And he is so cute.
Cute. Nice.
Come on, Lionel, let's go.
Bye, Jimmy.
Jimmy, you should get back to school.
Wait, Miss Phillips. Ah, man. Hey, Miss Phillips.
Hey, Jimmy.
So what really happened to Mr. Galloway? Where did he go?
It's a sad story, but well, sometimes when grown-ups get upset, they respond in the wrong ways, and well, small problems get bigger, and that's really the thing about being an adult.
Miss, I'm not 5. My mom's been married 5 times, and I've been expelled from 7 schools.
Yeah. He's a drunk. Stupid man couldn't control himself. Damn him! I love him. But that wretched ogre Hattrick guilt-tripped him into committing himself into the asylum to get dried out. If only someone could get in there and tell him to get out, I'll take care of him.
Why don't you go?
Because that loveless scumbag Hattrick told him not to let me in. Said I was a bad influence.
Don't you worry, miss. I'll get him out.
Okay. Meet me near the asylum tonight.
I'll be there.
And Jimmy?
Yes, Miss Phillips?
It's Ms., not Miss.
Oh, right.
Jimmy, I'm glad you made it. Please hurry and try to talk some sense into him. I'll be waiting for him at the asylum gates.
Don't worry, miss.
Thank you so much.
What are you doing? Let's be friends, but don't anger the Watcher.
I must be a better person. I must be a better person. I must be a better person. Oh, God! I am pathetic!
Hey, Mr. Galloway.
Go away! I don't want to have another group therapy session with those people. If I have to pretend to be someone's mother one more time, I'll... Oh. Hi, Jimmy. What on earth are you doing here?
Ms. Phillips sent me. She's really worried about you. Come on, let's get out of here.
Oh, I can't right now, Jimmy. I'm late for my regression therapy as it is. It's fantastic. I've discovered I really do hate myself. Hattrick was right. I am a loser.
No, you're not. Don't be ridiculous. Come on, we can't let bullies like Mr. Hattrick win.
Okay, Jimmy. Jimmy, I really appreciate this. Thank you.
Me too. I am so happy to have my galley bear back.
Galley bear?
Hi.
Hey.
I know, it's funny. I'm the girl in the dirty pictures, haha.
What are you talking about?
Don't pretend you don't know. Everybody knows.
Knows what?
There's posters of me all over town.
Oh, those.
Now everyone thinks I'm a slut. Great, my parents will be so proud. I'll probably get expelled.
Look, it could be worse.
How? How exactly could it be worse? I mean, sure, I've been a bitch at times, been nasty, but I don't deserve this. My life is over. I mean, I've always wanted to be a model, but not like this. Everybody's laughing at me. I can't bear it.
Everybody's always laughing at me.
Well, maybe you're not as insecure as I am, okay? I just wanted to be popular. Now everybody hates me. Well, I guess I deserve it.
I tell you what, you wait here. I'll get rid of those posters for you, or at least cover them up.
Would you? I'd do it myself, but I can't deal with it. I'm really losing it here.
Just hang in there.
I think I've got some mayonnaise on my pants.
They'll all be sorry one day. Pig, stop it!
Like I want a stinking friendship
So
bracelet.
unfair.
Jeez.
I can't believe I gotta pick up trash.
And then I have
today.
to give him a wedgie.
Gosh.
She's got the hots for me, I know it.
Friggin' week with Dad again? Great. I love.
Good thing my wife didn't see me looking at that.
Oh no, you've been defaced! Luckily, I have an almost unlimited supply of fresh posters.
I used to be cultured and interesting. I can go all day. You're going down! When I get up, you're...
All these plans, all these dreams sitting in the hands of a bunch of fat, over... Seems like there's just no shame left these days.
You! Not in class!
Oh, you are the sweetest boy ever!
You're amazing, you know that?
That was cool, but don't tell anyone, okay?
Yes, Candy from Ohio, you would be a fair queen for me. In that little thong, and with those massive piles of silicone. Initially you'd think, who's that handsome stranger? Then I'd walk into the bar, impress you with my suavity? My suavability? How suave I was. I'd look up and say, what's a nice girl like you doing in a place like this? And you'd say, take me to the hay barn.
Hey, Ernest. What's that you're reading?
Nothing. Nothing. Just some history homework.
Cool, can I see?
It's personal.
Personal history. Sounds interesting.
Yes, well, you wouldn't understand. Anyway, listen. The big game is today. Operation Trojan Cow is ready to proceed.
Operation Trojan Cow.
It's my master plan. My spies have already been gathering the information that will bring about the downfall of the jocks at this school.
So I guess I'll be needing this. Does this work?
Yes. Rendezvous with my agents in the field.
Okay, here's the mission.
Yeah, Bullworth, go! Bullworth, Bulls! Yeah, Bullworth, go! Bullworth, Bulls!
Outrageous!
Yeah, Bullworth, go! Bullworth!
The speed of light times the speed of a flying spaceship?
Careful! Patrols are everywhere. We are in grave danger at this very moment.
You're in grave danger of a knuckle sandwich if you don't get on with it, that's what.
Here's a ball we've rigged. Get to the shed by the field and swap it for the real game ball.
Come on, you can do it!
Yeah, forward, go, forward. Forward, forward, yeah, forward, go, forward.
All right, done. Let's go, James. You should come this way.
Interception!
Wow! You're talking to me! Here, take this glue bottle. It's full of glue. Go create a sticky situation on the team benches. Get it? Sticky situation. Yeah, I got it.
Awesome dance you do.
Forward, forward, yeah, forward, go, forward, forward.
That's what I'm talking about.
The football game will be good, but not as good as wrestling match. Funny joke.
Yo, Jimmy! Agent Bull, before I give you any sensitive information, I must ask you for the secret password.
Is it quit messing around before I lose my patience and hurt you?
No, but it'll do. Okay, here's the deal. The jocks keep their game sports drink in a cooler. Go urinate in it. Enhance it, if you will.
Come on, dance for us! That's pretty cool. Wow, okay. Nice.
Yeah, forward, go, forward, forward, yeah, forward, go, forward.
You're so dorky. I love it.
Scott!
Yeah, forward, go, forward.
I like it.
Yeah, forward, go, forward. Yeah, forward, go, forward, bulls.
Nice work! There's a rumor that someone is gonna screw up the game.
This is too much for me.
Yuck! Like, sticky! Yuck! That's like totally grody!
What's up, Jimmy? Your quest, young Jimmy, is perilous, but the rewards are glorious. Cut the crap, Melvin. It was sort of funny the first 20 times, but it's getting old now. Scatter them over the football field. All right.
Mr. Burton has a new playbook for the big game.
Hey, Jimmy! Nice outfit.
Yeah, I know. Shows off my figure, doesn't it? But enough about me. How do I mess up those jocks?
Straight to business, eh? Okay, there's a switch box on the scoreboard on the field. Get to it and switch it.
Sounds easy. What will it do?
It'll change the text of the scoreboard. I reprogrammed it. You'll like it. The jocks won't.
Who is that gimp?
Yeah, who is that gimp?
Oh, it's that little squirt Hopkins.
Yeah, that squirt Hopkins.
You're dead, Hopkins.
Yeah, dead Hopkins.
Why don't you stop repeating everything he says and get on with it?
I'm gonna rip out your heart and beat it to you.
Jacked up, dude. Incoming, Captain. Incoming, Captain. You like this, you prick?
Think I'm tough? Time's even tougher.
Get over here, you punk! No! You're it! Research, Peg! Come on, turn it up a bit! You know you deserve it! Quick, replace it!
A little blood never hurt anyone. You'll never get by me.
I'm gonna break your face! I'm gonna make you hurt! Incoming, Captain! Incoming, Captain! You're it! You ain't getting away from me! Can't believe your mom!
Get out of here, you baby!
Jimmy, take out the captain and take out the team.
Unsportsmanlike conduct.
That's right, losers! Yeah! Oh, Jimmy, you did it! You did it! I'm king of the school! Oh, you beat them all in front of everybody! Thanks for your help, Petey. Oh, this is gonna be great. So here I am, suddenly the king of the school. I never meant for things to turn out this way. I just wanted to control a couple of psycho kids and be left alone. But now I guess I'm certainly going to live the good life.
Hey, Darby.
Hey, Johnny.
Hi,
Yo,
Jimmy.
what's up, brother?
Hey, Chad.
So I'm like, yo, it's Jimmy.
Hey, you're funny, man.
Yo, man, what's going on?
Jimmy.
Oh, hey, girl, you're looking great.
Ooh.
Great. Thank you for that sugar, darling.
Wow, hey, Jimmy.
All right, boys, that's all I got to say. Later.
Bye, Jimmy.
Peace out,
See you
Jimmy.
later.
I love that guy.
Bye,
Come on,
guys.
straight up.
Let's roll.
Pete! Hey, Jimmy, what's going on? Everything. I did it, man. I took over this dump. These morons are my morons now.
That's great. Just don't turn into a jerk.
How could I? Hey, baby, how you doing? What you doing later?
Just remember, Jimmy, not everybody likes you.
Correct. They love me.
Well, what about Gary?
Gary? Forget about that twerp. Dude, it's me now. I run this place and you're my friend, so please try to be cool. Oh man, you're bringing me down. Come on, let's go milk this thing for all it's worth. We might even find you a girl. Mr. Galloway, should you really be doing that?
Oh, Jimmy. No, I suppose not, but life is unfair.
You promised Ms. Phillips.
Oh, God. What kind of world do we live in where I get punished for a minor indiscretion and Patrick gets away with taking bribes from his pupils?
He does?
Yes. He sells advanced copies of tests to the sons of his rich friends, and nobody says a word.
Wait, what rich friends?
Well, Darby Harrington, for one.
I can't believe he's selling tests. What if I got evidence of him doing this?
Then I'd never need to drink again.
All right, let me see what I can do.
Do you have my cash?
All right, I'll pay. You drive a hard bargain. Hey, thanks a lot, big guy.
Money, money!
I sure hope he shows up. I need to get my grade up.
Don't worry, he'll be here soon, I'm sure.
Greetings. Did you chaps bring the money?
Yeah, did you bring the goods?
Thanks, buddy. See you at midterms. There you are, sir.
Of course, I trust you have my fee.
I've got Daddy's checkbook with me.
See you in class. You know, he drinks on school grounds. Think of the children, Dr. Crabblesnitch.
Drinking? I will terminate the employment contract of any staff member found corrupting children. Morality is the most important lesson we can teach the youth.
Is that so? Then you might want to look at these.
What's this?
It's that fat, evil hypocrite selling test answers to rich kids. Fire him.
What? You took pictures?
And to think I trusted you, Hat-Trick? You're fired.
But
Bye-bye, fatty.
And as for you, Galloway, there better not be anything to that drinking business.
That is funny, Jimmy.
No, it's not. Jimmy, it's really funny.
Chill out, man.
Jimmy, I need to talk to you about something.
Not now, Pete. I'm basking in adulation. I mean, running the school fairly.
Dude, so fairly.
No, Jimmy, please.
Pete, enough.
Yeah, shut up, Pete.
The court must know their king.
You know what, Jimmy? Forget the school. The whole town should know about you. You're like the mayor.
You should leave your mark on City Hall.
Yeah, dude. Take a dump on the doorstep.
No, you homunculus, not a dump. It's something much more elegant. Paint a warning.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I'll show everyone who's boss.
That's right, Jimmy.
All right, you girls wait here. This is gonna be something they'll never forget.
Wait, Jimmy, don't forget about Gary. Wait for me. That's great. Listen, we've got a problem.
I'm the king, Petey, the king!
Whatever. You're a king with a load of problems.
I've only been gone a couple hours. What could have happened?
All kinds of things. You remember that promise you made about restoring law and order and improving the school? Let's just say it ain't exactly coming true.
Well, if anyone wants a fight, I'm right here.
I think Gary must be behind it, but trust me, everyone wants a fight. Listen, I gotta go. I'll talk to you later.
Oh, man.
This is a disgrace!
It's appalling! I don't want plague or a pet rat!
This is your fault, Jimmy!
Huh? What? No, it isn't. What are you guys talking about?
The library is full of rats! And I got my pre-med test next week, amigo! You're such a lame-o!
Some king you turned out to be!
Oh, how I long for the old days! Sure, we were laughed at and mercilessly bullied by everyone, but at least you could study without fear of rodents coming near us!
Get off! Oh, did you piss yourself again, Algie?
Ew.
No, I swear!
Algie.
I spilled soda on myself.
Soda. Right. What a bunch of sissies. Well, I'm not afraid of a few rats. Jeez, pathetic.
They're probably leaving there. There, I see one. Those dirty rats! Check the delivery crate to see if any of them are still lurking in there.
These crates?
Yes, those crates. The rats appeared once those books were delivered.
Everything seems to be fine, miss. I think I got them all.
Thank you, Jimmy. If you have any late fees, I think we can just forget about them.
I did that a long time ago. I mean, thank you, miss.
I don't believe this! Oh, no!
How did it happen?
Hopkins, come here, boy!
Hey, what's up, Mr. Burton?
What's up? What's up? My gym is up in flames, look!
Damn, how'd that happen?
As if you don't know! You're a degenerate to think I trusted you!
It wasn't me. Yeah, I'm no saint, but I tried to bring order to the school, to stop the bullying.
Ha! Bullying? I don't care about bullying! In fact, I encourage bullying!
That's right.
Builds moral fiber, makes men!
Yeah!
'Cause you didn't make the team, you had to ruin it for everyone.
Yeah, you bully!
You're a pig! You ruined my life!
What are you talking about? I never wanted to be on the team. You like to torment weak kids, and you've got the personality of a jockstrap.
Yeah, well, I called the police. You'll be killed for this, my boy.
It wasn't me.
You're done for, Hopkins. What? Who was that?
It's Yuri! There's people trapped inside!
I'm really scared, Mommy!
Man, you guys are pathetic. I'll get him. Where's the fire extinguisher?
By the stairs next to the locker room. But don't think I've forgiven you, Hopkins.
Ow! I'm getting out of here! Ah! I'm stuck! Jimmy! Over here! Oh, man! Thanks, Jimmy!
Jimmy, is that you? Thank you.
Well, thanks a lot. I could have done that myself.
Jimmy! Would you mind helping me again? Please!
I think the flames are getting out of control. Jimmy, the fire! Please get the fire! Please! Oh, Jimmy, thank you!
What happened, Mandy?
I don't know, but I saw some weirdo downstairs.
I'll check it out. You get out of here.
Be careful, Jimmy!
Bullworth is run by psychopaths. You know that?
Hey, what the hell are you doing?
Out of my way, schoolboy. I regret nothing.